Roger Cleveland with Legend Tom Watson, and we have a question from Aaron from the Callaway community. Tom, his question is the long bunker shot, and that is
to that flag over there.
To that flag over there.
It's a long bunker shot.
Yes, it is.
Well, the first thing, make it easy. Aaron, make it easy. Take your sand wedge, go put it in your bag, pick out a less lofted sand wedge. If you've got a 52, say a gap wedge, it would still have some bounce. It's still very utilitarian in a bunker, and use that. The other thing that I do, I take a normal stance here for a normal bunker shot. I'm a little bit open like this. The face is slightly open, but the key when I go through this is that when I go through this, I make sure that my hands rotate a little faster going through, which takes the loft off the club face, making the ball come out flatter, lower, and roll farther. Something like this.
Beautiful. Not a lot of effort. Because
you very little effort to it, really.
Yep. So Aaron, that's the answer to the question. Less loft, less effort, great results. MD3, get up and down from anywhere.